Hi everyone! For this week's pro tip, I wanted to talk a little bit about one of my favorite things, Laura Mercier's Caviar Sticks. This summer it's going to be all about eyes since we're all wearing masks for the foreseeable future. So the Caviar Sticks are an easy and fun way to quickly define the eyes and get a little bit of a look going that everybody will be able to see when you're out and about. So I've chosen 3 colors today that are from Laura Mercier's new Game On collection. 3 colors that I really like that are on trend for summer. I've got burgundy, sunrise, and turquoise. And I'm going to use burgundy and sunrise for eyeshadow, and I'm going to line with turquoise. So here we go. So first I'm going to take my sunrise caviar stick, and this is kind of my all over eye color. I'm just going to take it and gently blend all over the middle part of my lid. Blend. And I love these because they are completely blendable for the first about 20 to 30 seconds, and then they dry completely waterproof. So you're good once they're done. Then I'm going to take my burgundy color. This is kind of my fun, trendy accent color for this look, and I'm going to really stay on the outer part of the lid. Anytime you want to do kind of a touch of trend or something just kind of fun, stick to the outer part of the lid and you usually won't feel like you're too overwhelmed with color. So we have sunrise all over, then we've got burgundy in the outer corner. And finally, I'm going to take my turquoise caviar stick. And this time I'm going to grab my eyelining brush. This is the smoky eyeliner brush from Laura Mercier. Just kind of get enough color going on the tip of the brush. And then I'm going to line the upper lash line just part way. I don't really want it to go too much because I want it to be a little bit more subtle for daytime. But then you've got kind of a fun, summery look going.